Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. This time it's a strap for my Apple Watch from a company called Bullstrap. It's an American company, and the whole point here is that I have a bunch of straps, TERRA straps, and I figured out that TERRA straps fits the Apple Watch, but the adapters were hard to get. So I ordered a pair of adapters, and I got a single one, and ordered another pair and got another single one, and order yet a single one. So I have 3 adapters, but I paid for 3 pairs. And these adapters are really bad. You see, they don't stay in place at all. So I thought that I'm gonna see who makes straps just for Apple Watch with adapters, of course. And I found this company called Bullstrap. There was a lot of reviews on YouTube, etc., etc., and everybody seems to like them. And the price was good. Usually when I buy a strap, I start off with choosing the material, alligator or cow or whatever. Then I choose the color, and then of course suede or leather. Choose the color, then I choose the width, 24, 26. I choose the thickness. Most of the people doesn't do that, but I do that. You see, I like my straps really thick. And then I choose the length and the number of holes. Here I couldn't choose anything except from the color. They got 4 colors, I think. Black, I have to check that, but I think black, dark brown, this brown, and tan brown. And this brown is like my crazy horse strap. I should have brought it so I can show you. It's gonna get lighter and lighter when you use it, so you're gonna get some patina or personal touch, and I like that. So I ordered this. Looks good to wear with my Apple Watch that are my daily beater today. And then I thought I might as well buy something else from them, and I have my iPhone cases. They have a bunch of iPhone cases, so I thought, why not buy a matching card holder. It smells like really good leather. I like that. I liked that the card holders are not straight, so I guess it's easier to put all the cards. Smells different. So yeah, I ordered this. Then after I ordered this one, I thought, why did I do that? I already have a bunch of card holders. I have Hugo Boss. The latest one that I use is very similar to this one. It's from Tiger of Sweden. And yeah, I got a Versace one, Hugo Boss. I got a bunch of them, and they were all brown actually. So I thought, if I'm gonna buy me a card holder, I want something very special and expensive, like super expensive, not Louis Vuitton or Goyard. So I started to look at Hermes, and I ended up with this one. Crocodile leather with my name, shiny red. This is super nice. And when I ordered this one, I ordered this clutch as well, crocodile leather, and this has a card holder inside. I didn't know that. So now I have a bunch of card holders that I probably won't use. This one I will never use because I always have my my Louis Vuitton bum bag. I like this one. So I'm not gonna use this. So I'm thinking of giving it away to one of my readers. It's a really nice one. It is matching with this, but I'm gonna give this away. I just don't know how. If I just want you to comment and subscribe and share, etc., etc., like everybody else wants you to do. I don't know. Let me know. But I have a Bullstrap card holder for you. So let's get to the strap. The whole point of this purchase. And I'm curious about how it fits. The material is thick enough. It's not so soft, but it's gonna get softer by hand. It's good leather, and I really like that it gets lighter when you use it. And of course, it's gonna get dark again with dirt and grease and water. Smells like leather, nothing special. Yeah, good for the money. I think now the problem is that I paid, let's see here, I got a discount code on them. The retail price is $80. I got a discount code and I paid $40 for the, no, $35 for the card holder, shipping $14. But then when it came to Sweden, I had to pay 74% in taxes. Okay, let's see here. All right, not super easy to pull in, but it absolutely stays in place. Yes, I like this. And I like the panerai look of the buckle. I'm assuming the strap is 24-22, which means that it's 24 at the top, and it probably get thinner in the bottom, or maybe it's 24-24 all the way. Either way, it looks good, and it's gonna look good as a beater. Let's see on the hand. The strap is, I have small wrist, and I actually think that no, it's good in size. Very thick, but I'm gonna do my standard massaging thing where I just sort of break the buckle because this wasn't so comfortable at all. So what I do is I keep on like breaking the strap just to make it softer. I think there's nothing more to say about this. This is my Bullstrap review for an Apple Watch strap. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know how I should go on with giving this away. Thanks. And either way, please subscribe and like and comment, etc., etc. I need those 1,000 subscribers. I really do, and I'm still far from it. So yeah, help me out with that one. Bye.